So these right here were a special request. And of course I made them using no oil, no wheat, and no refined sugar. They're delicious and healthy. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients we're going to use to make these lemon blueberry squares. Now first we're going to talk about what we're using to make the crust. And what we're going to use are some organic oats. Now, anytime that I'm using oats, the oats that I buy must be organic and then certified to be both glyphosate and gluten-free. And those are the type of oats that I use. We're gonna use some coconut flakes. Now, coconut is something that I don't use that often. In fact, of the hundreds of recipes I've shared, I've maybe used coconut milk once or twice in recipes. Coconut flakes I use a little more often because they blend so well with flavors like lemon. And the amount that we're using compared to what we're making is not substantial, so I'm comfortable in that case. So we're using some coconut flakes. We're going to use some vanilla for flavoring. We're going to use walnuts. Now, I love health promoting foods, and of all the health promoting foods out there, hundreds of them, maybe in the top 2 or 3 are walnuts. Walnuts are great for so many things, from your heart to your brain, etc. Source of omega-3s, plant omega-3s. So walnuts are amazing, and I use them whenever I can, eat them every day. And then we're going to sweeten it with dates. Of course, dates are like one of the healthiest things you can use to sweeten things. It has the antioxidants, has the fiber, has the nutrients. These are the ingredients we're going to use for the crust. Let's start putting it together. Okay, so now I'm just going to add all my ingredients from my crust into my food processor and get them blended until they get to the right consistency so that the crust holds together well.
Now, if you're someone who's avoiding coconut because of saturated fat, you could use extra walnuts to replace the coconut in this crust.
All right, so now I've got my ingredients blended. I wanted to show you what it looks like consistency-wise with this crust when it's at the right place. So I blended it here, and you can see it still looks loose, and it is pretty loose. But when I take it and I squeeze it or compress it like this, then it gets nice and sticky, and that's what you want. You want it to be nice and sticky like that so that it'll be compact enough to stay together when you cut a square out of the pan there. Okay, so now we've got our crust blended here. Now we're going to get it into the pan, get it pressed really well, and then move on to our filling.
So I'm using a flat spatula to press this crust, but you could also use the bottom of a glass and get the same results.
So if you're someone looking to add more protein to your diet, a great way to do it is by using a quality protein powder and adding it to recipes like the one I'm making today. And when I want to add protein, I always use Complement. Now, I've shared with you before that I use Complement because it's vegan, organic, clean, third-party tested to be low in contaminants, and it's even soy-free for those of you who want to avoid soy. Now, I always use the unflavored because you don't have to worry about making adjustments for flavor and for added sweetness. If you'd like to take a look at this protein powder, check the descriptions below. I'll have a link taking you to the Complement protein, and you can even use my discount code to get 15% off. All right, let's get back to the recipe. All right, so we've got our crust made and set aside. Now let's talk about what we're going to use to make the filling. We're going to use a base of cashews. I have some cashews soaking here. We're going to use some blueberries, of course. We're going to sweeten it with dates, my favorite sweetener. We're going to use some vanilla. We're going to use some lemon zest. Lemon zest, by the way, is super health promoting, very good detoxifier. We're going to use some lemon juice, and then we're going to use some plant milk. Now, what I have here is walnut milk, but you could use any plant milk of your choice. Now, keep in mind that if you wanted to make this nut-free, you could use sunflower seeds instead of cashews in both the filling, and then you could use sunflower seeds to replace the walnuts in the crust. And I'm going to be including a nut-free option with this recipe. Now, you may have noticed that I have some powder and water sitting here. And what this is for is once we get our ingredients blended, we're going to heat this agar powder up in some water, and that's going to create a nice consistency. We're going to take that mixture and add it back to our filling and get it to exactly the right texture that we want for our lemon blueberry bars. So let's do that now. Okay, so I've set my blueberries, my agar, and my water aside. We're going to deal with those a little bit later, but right now we're going to blend the remainder of our ingredients for the filling until we get it to the right consistency.
So if you decide to use protein powder to add a boost to this recipe, this is where you would add it straight into the blender with the rest of the filling ingredients. And once you have everything blended smooth, you'll add the water and the agar until it thickens, and then add it to the filling also. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
Okay, so now we have our filling mixed to a nice smooth consistency, and you can see here what that looks like. nice and creamy and thick, but it's still pourable. So now we're going to add our blueberries, and I'm going to be very deliberate to mix it right here in the container. I'm just going to add them right to the container and mix it up. Be very deliberate about it. We don't want to break our blueberries up. We want them nice and whole to go into our filling here.
So once I have the blueberries mixed into my filling, I'm going to pour it over the crust. Then I'm going to add extra blueberries and some coconut to elevate the final presentation.
All right, and just like that, we have it all mixed. We've got it in the pan. The only thing left is to put it in the fridge for a few hours, let it get set, and then we'll take them out and cut them up. All right, so our squares are set and they're ready to be removed and cut, and that's exactly what I'm going to do now. All right, our squares are cut and they are served, and they look absolutely delicious. Blueberry, lemon, coconut, 3 flavors that blend perfectly. I know these are going to be good, guys. Let's give them a taste for you, of course. That's delicious. If you like the flavor of lemon, combined with fruit like blueberries, you will love these guys, trust me. Make your own. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.